It's a little bit tricky, especially when it comes to the 2 versus the 4, right? Yeah, like you guys were saying, right? There's a common misconception. A misconception, write that one down. A misconception is a mistaken idea. A mistaken idea, you know? Just like that idea that they say that women can't drive well. I mean, that's a mistaken idea because, as a matter of fact, I used to have a girlfriend. My God, she was awesome when she was driving, man. She drove us all around the place, everywhere. She drove very carefully, very well. She parked, and my God, she's better than I am. She was better than I am. So that's a misconception. You know, it's a mistaken idea. And a mistaken idea that gets taught, especially when you're learning English, is that 2 means a, and that 4 means para. And that's all we're left with. That's all we're left with. That's all we're left with in our regular English classes. That's all we're left with. And everything else is just left for you to discover on your own, right? But this is not a normal English class. As a matter of fact, this is the best class. And you're not talking to a normal English teacher. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So
Sure.
so yeah, so we understand it's a misconception. So I want you to forget about this. Stop thinking in Spanish. You know those reels, those YouTube videos that go, think like a native speaker. They like, you know, forget about that. So I want you to just focus on this. So instead of thinking about thinking like a native speaker, think about the uses, right? What are the functional uses of 2 and 4? And it comes down to one thing. It just comes down to one little thing. And if you get this, this is the Holy Grail. Okay? So you're going to use 2 with the verb. You're going to use 4 with a noun. That's it. Okay. Okay, so goodbye, everyone. I'll see you on Monday. Have a good weekend.
That's it.
Okay.
Bye, Vidal. Enjoy your
Okay,
weekend.
coach.
Okay, wait, don't disconnect. Don't disconnect. Vidal, don't disconnect. Are you still here? Vidal?
Yes.
Oh,
He
Vidal went to
runs
sleep.
away.
Oh, you're
Yeah.
still here. Okay, Vidal, don't go enjoy your weekend yet, Vidal. This is a really great opportunity. No, I mean, seriously, this is it. If you understand this, you got everything. Another thing that you need to get is, if you're going to use 2, you're going to use the verb in the base form. You know, or I like to call it VBF.
Mystery. Sorry. Mystery.
Yes.
When you use the ing is the correct use to.
I was just about to get to that. So that's a great question. So here, okay, so watch this. You're going to use 2 with the verb in the base form. Okay. And with 4, you're going to use the verb in the ing form, the gerund form. Okay. This is, when you do this, this is called the infinitive. When you do that, that's called the gerund. Okay. And that's it. So thank you everyone for coming tonight. I really hope that you enjoyed this class. Vidal, brother, you can go now and have a good night.
Mr. E.
I'm kidding. I'm still here. Yes. So
And
yes,
you can learn while you are sleeping.
you can, that's even better because that's that would be at a subconscious level. Okay. But in your conscious level, I want you to understand this. So 2 with the verb, seriously. 4 with a noun. If you're going to use 2, use the verb in the base form. If you're going to use 4, use the verb in the ing form. This is infinitive. This is called the gerund. And something extra, you want to use 2 when you want to explain, when you answer the question why, to explain reason, or to give an explanation about something. And you're going to use for when you're going to explain the function, right? The function of something, or perhaps the use. Okay, and that's it. And that's it. That's the big deal. That's the big deal. Okay. So forget about para, forget about how. That's not going to work. You got to learn this. All right. So the question is, why do you want to work for the BPO industry? Why do you want to work for the call center industry? Come on, give me some reasons. Everybody give me a reason. Why do you want, give me a reason.
Just to make a lot of money.
Yes, sir. I want to work for the BPO industry. And like Vidal said, to make not a lot of money, brother, a bunch of money. Why not? To make a bunch of money. Give me another reason.
To buy a
Why do you want to
car.
work? What?
To buy a car.
Yes, why not? To buy a car. So, and this is for real. I've seen a lot of students and ex-agents, like the other
Mr.
day,
A?
like I was crossing the street, and this guy with his nice big car was like, beep, beep. I'm like, is it Mr. E? Yo, what's up? And I'm like, hey, nice car, bro. Nice car. And they were like, yeah. I'm making it big in the BPO industry. To buy a car. Yes. What else?
And I love your last example,
Example?
Mr. A. Just to invite your girlfriend, something like that.
Yes.
Just-
Oh, brother, to take your
Because-
girlfriend
yeah.
out. Yes. Why not? To take your girlfriend
You
out.
And don't be a
mentioned
loser.
to get married too.
Yes. To get, we don't say to get married. We get to get hitched. It's another term, to get hitched, you know,
Oh,
to
Wow.
get hitched, to get married. Yes. Any other reason? Can somebody else explain to me any other good reason?
The salary is high. In Guatemala salaries, but I don't know. How you
So
say
give me
that.
the verb.
Earn.
to earn.
Yeah. To earn big bucks. To earn big bucks. Okay. So as you can see here, I'm giving you reasons. Reasons are going to be with to in the verb in the base form. To make, to buy, to take the girlfriend out, to get hitched, to earn big bucks. So I'm giving you reasons. Reasons I'm going to use to. Do you understand? Okay. Now, let's in real life, you're not just going to use to. You're going to make combinations. You're going to make combos. So let's make combos. Okay. So yeah, sure. Everybody wants to make a bunch of money. What else? Right? What else do you need? Why do you want to work for the BPO industry? Right? Why? I'll get you
To
some.
travel to other countries.
Of
For a
course,
house.
to travel. Okay. Now let's make combinations. Okay, to travel, you know.
For improving our life.
Okay, you're giving me a reason, and improve is a verb, so you need to say,
To improve.
yes, it's a reason, and this is a verb, to improve. Okay. Now, let's talk about the things that make a good life. Well, for food. Yes or no?
For a vacation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For vacation. Yes, that's a good one.
For a house.
For a house.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? What else? Come on. For clothes.
For shoes.
For
totals.
shoes. Oh, come on. I knew some kids in the call center that even they worked, like they got these crazy tattoos, man. Yeah, why not? I saw some kids that like, hey, Mr. E, I was like, check this out. Like, well, it's just blue thing. Like, dude, that's amazing. Good for
The
you.
latest iPhone.
What? For what?
For the latest iPhone.
Yes, for the latest iPhone. Why not? You deserve it. Why not? I always say, why not, guys?
Thank you. I need a new one.
Coach,
Yes. Yes.
I don't know.
Yes.
I don't know how to say this, but this makes me think about an interview.
Yes. An interview. Yes. It makes it, yes. Yeah, it's a question like, why do you want to work for us?
Interview. That's I mean, I'm just saying it's a good topic, but I don't know.
Yeah.
An
No,
interview.
in an interview, yes, you can, like, the question would be maybe, we generally would ask, like, why do you want to work for us?
Or do you have a video?
Yeah. Why do you want to work for a call center? The typical question. Explain your reasons why. You understand?
Yes, you have
A
to.
specific video for this? Because I've been watching your videos, but honestly, I can't.
Because I would like to grow within a company.
Can I get that again? I was not prepared.
No, nobody likes to work for to sport or yes.
I'm
Am I
gonna.
correct? You three?
For sport.
Yeah.
Nobody likes to work for free.
Yeah.
I don't know. You like to work for free?
If you
Okay.
use your passion,
I'm sorry, your passion?
yeah, if it's your passion.
Your passion, for my
Yeah,
passion, yes.
Yeah.
For my passion, my personal passion. Yes. Going back to your question, Walter. No, as a matter of fact, I don't think I really have a video. I don't recall at this moment, but this is something that could come up in an interview question, like, why should we go? I mean, why do you want to work for the call center? Why do you want to work for a call center? You could just go ahead and creatively, just say anything you want, it doesn't matter, because they all they want to do is just listen to you speak English, and in like in real life, when we were interviewing people at Alorica all those years, you said, why do you want to work for Alorica? What's your reason, right? And the kids would mess up all these, so they would mess them up, and they go, yes, I want to work for buy, for go, for travel. And it was like, no, it's not right. They were mixing it up. They were not using it right. So in the test, as an evaluator, you had to write, okay, grammar, it's not right, prepositions, and we used to recommend them for something else. So yeah, this is very important, because in real life, you're gonna have to use it a lot. Okay, so Karin, are we good so far? Are we good?
Yeah,
Karin?
coach, it's clear. Thank you
Okay.
very much.
Perfect. Okay, great. So if there are no other questions about this, can we move on to the next topic? Yeah. I didn't ask you about the function. Okay, a function. So the function I use. So what is a marker for, guys? What is the function of the marker? What is the function of this?
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So the function, what's it gonna say? For?
Writing.
Right.
Writing.
What else?
Probably painting.
For painting, yes. What else?
Drawing.
For? Explaining.
Drawing.
Drawing, of course. Okay. Exactly. What is the function of your cell phone? What is the function of the cell phone? Tell me.
For texting,
Texting. What else?
Calling.
Watching
Calling.
Calling,
IG.
texting.
Watching
Yes.
videos.
For
Taking a picture.
sending pictures. So there you go. You have it. You have it. Now you understand, because you're telling me the function, the use. So you use the verb in the ing form. Okay. And remember that for all of these expressions, like thank you, I'm sorry, forgive me, right? Okay. So for all of these expressions, what are we going to say? Thank you for what? Coming. What? I'm sorry for being late. Forgive me for asking. So with all of these and for, the verb in the ing form. Are we good, guys? If you got it, say gotcha, coach.
Gotcha, coach.
Uh,
Yeah, thank you. That was a wonderful question, Cutting. I'm glad you brought it up.